Microwave is not working. Not spinning. Okay, not spinning. It's spinning, not spinning. Why? Let's go fix it. Cool, the diagram. Check the turntable. Right there. Goes that white. I'm gonna check that switch. 1, 2, 3 switch, and I wanna check this turntable also. Turntable motor. I wanna check that. This switch. Let's see. Door is open. No continuity. It's closed. Okay. It's open. No continuity. So that's correct. Door is open. Second door switch. Normally open if the door is open. So that's good switch. I'm gonna check this monitor switch. Monitor switch. It's right there. If the door is open, that means it has continuity. Okay, door open, that's good. If I close it, no continuity. That is a good switch, has continuity. Now let's check this one. What is that? Primary switch. If the door open, no continuity. Door open, continuity, no continuity. Door closed, should have continuity. Okay, that's good. I should have continuity because the door's closed. Primary switch normally open. Door is open. If the door is open, no continuity, so I should close. If I close it, I should have continuity, but it's not working. That's the problem, the switch. So if I check the ohms of the turntable motor, I should have 100 to 150. Let's go check that out. This is the white and black. and it's connected over here. It's white and black. Let me take it out. It's out. Okay, check the ohms. I got 126 and it's on the range. Where is it? Where is it? It's right there. I should have 100 to 150 ohms and I'm at 126. 126. That turntable motor is good. I'm pretty sure the problem is this switch right here. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. No continuity. I should have continuity right now. It should be P, but nothing. Let me try something. Open, door open. No continuity. Close it. Continuity. I think that's fixed. Let's try. Let's try. Still not working. But that's the problem. Let me try something. Let me try something. It's not working. Let me try something. It's not spinning. Let me try this one. You see the switch? Oh, now it's working. That's the problem. That switch is the problem. That switch is the problem. I guess it's not pressing hard all the way. You need to press hard. That's the problem. Not working. Let's see. Let's see. It's getting hot. Yep, it's working. Let's see again. It's not working. Yep, but if I press this one, it's working. That's the problem. Okay, let's try this one if it works. Let's cut the battery. Start, let's see. Oh, it's working now. Time to put it back everything. That's it. That's how you fix it.